hey, let's do some maintenance and save some money on our car. I'm going to change the wipers. These are just some basic wipers from Amazon. I have a 2013 Lexus CT 200H. This will be pretty similar for other Toyotas like a Prius. So let's get started. Go ahead and remove the little guard for your blade. We'll start with the driver's side. Pull this up right here. And some of these are different, but this one has little tabs right here. You can pull this off, and you can basically just pull that down. You can see it's kind of like a little U-hook kind of deal. And squeeze those little tabs there, get that one off. There we go. And it'll click up there. Snap it on. And you got driver's side done. And now we'll do the same thing with the passenger side. We'll take off the little wiper guard there. Unclick these little clip right there that holds it on. And pull it down. It just comes right out. Don't let that snap back or that'll break. Unclick this one. You can feed it right through there. This one was much easier. And it'll just click on there, click, and smash those little clamps back down. And now you got that. Let's move on to the rear. What I really like about these Amazon packages is it comes with the rear as well. Sometimes they want to charge you $40 at an auto parts store just for this. I had them quote me one time. So not a good deal. So these are a little different here. It's got a little tab right here, and you open that to be able to get it off of there. And it's going to be a similar kind of deal, but it just pops right off. Just kind of pops out. It's got a little hook there, but it just literally clamps right in there. All right, so we got the new one we're going to put on there. So you need to kind of get it fed in there a little bit to make sure it's going to go down. And make sure it gets clicked on there good. And that's it. That clips back on. Now you're done. Hopefully that helped you save a little money and save some time. And you didn't have to go anywhere to do it. Just have Amazon drop it off. We'll see you next time.